So the steps for the agarose gel is you're going to add 2 grams agarose to 200 milliliter beaker. You're going to fill it with 1 times TAE to the 100 milliliter line. And you're going to microwave on high for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then wash the beaker and stop the microwave when the solution begins to boil. Remove the beaker with the rubber hot pad and swirl it delicately for 30 swirls, pointing the opening of the beaker away from your face, and then microwave for 5 more seconds and repeat step C. Continue to microwave for 5 seconds at a time until the full 130 seconds is over, and then let the solution cool on the bench for 5 minutes, and then while the solution is cooling, prepare the gel trays by adding 100 milliliters of agarose, and that'll allow us to prepare 3 or 4 trays. And then for each tray, tape both ends with colored tape so nothing can escape, and then once the agarose solution has cooled 5 minutes, use hot pad to delicately swirl it 30 more times, and then add 2 microliters of ethadium bromide to the solution, and then using the hot pad, swirl the solution delicately for 30 swirls, and using the hot pad to pour the solution into the gel trays. Gently pour into the front of the trays until the gel has spread to 3/4 of the tray, and stop pouring once it is evenly. And once it's evenly distributed, you're going to place the comb in the tray, and the comb notches at one end, and then you're going to examine the teeth of the comb and make sure that they are all at least 1 millimeter into the gel, and then let the gels rest. Okay, so if you're running with the PCR product, add 3 UL of each sample to each respective blue dot, and then when gels have cooled, remove combs and place trays in gel electrophoresis rigs such that the teeth are at the opposite ends of the red poles, and then fill the chamber with 1 times TAE such that gel and wells are barely covered. Next, add 6 UL mixture of loading dye/samples to each corresponding well, and make sure that one of your wells is a DNA ladder or other positive control, and then put lids on rigs and set voltage to 100 watts, hit run, and ensure that bubbles emerge from the black poles, and then run for 30 minutes or until the blue bands are between 3/8 and 1/2 up the gel. And then while gels are running, turn on gel imaging box, and then open the gel imaging software on the computer top PC, and then after that we're going to click on ethadium bromide protocol top right, and then when gel is finished running, open bottom tray of imaging box and place gel in the center of the black rectangle and close the tray. And then on the PC, adjust focus, zoom, and contrast, and hit capture image, and then save the image to a folder on the desktop, and then throw away the gels and clean up all of the remaining products.